Howdy again, a very stressed out Mr. Pete here. I have been working on my video course of these 6-inch Atlas lathes since last Thanksgiving, and today is April 15th, 2025, and I need a day out. So I'm all up for a little adventure with my friend Dwight. I've talked about him endlessly. We have been hanging around since 1952. We do all kinds of crazy things together, and we've been tractor buddies for the last few years. So we own this Moline 445 tractor in a joint partnership. He's been pulling it lately, and I'm not involved in that, but he needs to take that tractor to a shop that's about 40 miles from his farm. So I'm heading up to his farm right now, and we're going to load this thing and then take it to the shop. So I thought you might be interested in a little bit of this. Now, we've taken the tin off of this, so you can't recognize that it's a Moline 445, but it's really a neat tractor. It just needs a little work, but it's a little sketchy to put a tricycle gear tractor up onto a trailer. So we'll see how that goes. Hope I don't kill myself. Most of these scenes are sped up, and I believe if you want to see them in regular speed, you can slow them down with your device, but I'm trying to make this watchable. So the tractor is not operational. We have to push it up onto the trailer. This is a brand new 35-foot trailer, 3-axle. That's why we are putting the tractor so far back over those axles. And I tell you, I was amazed at how smooth this tractor trailer pulled with those 3 axles, because the old trailer that he had, it was like a buckboard when you had 2 tractors on it, but this was real smooth, and he's pulling it with a virtually brand new diesel Ford 250, and it was effortless for that truck. And then when we get over to Rob's shop, he unloads it. Well, we push it off, use gravity, and then he pushes it into the shop with a forklift. So I showed a little bit of that as well. Now, he's never backed this trailer yet, so I do include a clip in there where he's attempting. Well, he does a good job. He's a very good driver, but he does back it up, and he's in control. But he's on kind of a busy road there, and it's tricky when you get back home because there's always cars that are coming up real fast, and he's on a hill, and we're trying to get the trailer off of the road.
After that worked great, other than, you know, I know you couldn't see where the blade was here.
Medium north.
Oh, that's good. Thank you. See you, Margaret. That's it.
Now this is a temporary video, so watch it while you can, but we had a neat little surprise when we got back to town. It was lunchtime, about 12:30, so I had had a big breakfast, so I just ordered a hamburger and water. You know how cheap I am. And my buddy Dwight had omelet. But anyway, we had a real neat waiter, a young man, 25 years old or so. Just we had a lot of fun with him. You know how that goes when you meet a neat waiter or waitress. But when he came back with what we thought was the bill, you know what he told us? He said, "Did you see those people right behind you in the corner booth?" Well, yeah, we don't know them. He said, "Well, they paid for your meal." I thought, really? Thank you. I was shocked, but they were already gone. We couldn't thank them. And we said, well, we didn't really know them. And the waiter says, yeah, but you know what? They said, you look like their grandpas. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you had a little fun with it. If you do, leave a comment. If you hated it, tell me, and I'll never make another video like this again. But I'll see you soon in my video course and my 1,600 other shop videos that are languishing. So long for now.